Hi, this is Senia with Sweet Earth Co., and I wanted to take you on a tour of a parterre garden that we designed and installed. A parterre garden is an evolution of the medieval knot garden. Both are configurations of areas designed to create an overall pattern that can be viewed from above. Both the knot garden with interlocking areas or the parterre with separated areas are both outlined with hedges, low hedges, typically boxwood. In this particular design, I start at the center with a circle of Ilex glabra outlined in Nepeta, with 4 quadrants emanating from the circle, and then end caps of areas on either corner. The view is elongated and accented by arborvitae. We enter now through this initial opening. It is fall right now, and while the garden still looks gorgeous, we will visit again in the spring and summer when everything is blooming. Right now, we are viewing the Japanese anemone, which look gorgeous in bloom. And that is on the left-hand side and on the right-hand side. In both of these beds, there's also iris and columbine. Each area was designed to have 3 seasons. So there's a layered effect. Right now, we're in the last fall season, so the Japanese anemone are in bloom. We have these 2 areas here, which are primarily incredible hydrangeas. In the back layer, middle layer is a Stilby Visions in white, and then Patriot Hosta outlining the front. And the same on this end here. We're entering the area with the quadrants, and to my left, we have Helianthus in bloom now, or almost ending. Russian sage behind it. Iris is another layer, and a Stilby Visions in white in front. To my right, this area has a back layer of Agastache Blue Fortune. Roses is the center layer with peonies in front. There are also delphinium in here that have been cut back, and those will occupy the corners of this quadrant. This particular quadrant is mirrored with the same plantings across. And this particular quadrant is a mirror of the one across from it as well. And we continue around the center. There are bulbs planted in here, alliums, and those will be alliums and tulips, and those will be popping up in the spring. And we continue to the back of the parterre, where we have a similar ribbon of hostas, astilbe, and incrediballs on either corner. Thank you for visiting and joining me on this tour. We'll visit again in the spring and summer and see what's blooming.